Nick Sharp is my name. I started up Linea Stone in 2008, back in the GFC. Back in those days we had a Master 33 Internac. We were based in Rosebank Road in tiny little premises, probably a couple of hundred square metres. We moved about 4 years later to the premises we're in now, which was about 600 metres, and I couldn't believe how big it was and couldn't believe that, how we'd ever fill it up. We do anything stone related. We've got a very good reputation in engineered stone, and 30% of the business is in porcelain and natural stone, a range of granite, quartzite, marble. We do it all, and we do it very well. One thing I should say is that the company is based on humility and respect. We're able to do big numbers in that with very good quality and very good lead time. So on day one we had a Master 33, which at the time was the best machine that you could buy for that purpose as a CNC work centre, and that proved itself over the years. So it was a fairly easy decision to move on to the second Intermac, which we did. That we'd replace it with the same one, and of course GMM is under the Biesse umbrella. That's when we started wondering, we wanted to look around and make sure that we're buying the right brand, the right equipment. Ended up buying the Master 33.5 full 5-axis machine. So that was a big investment at the time. That's really leading equipment, and that machine's proved extremely good for us. The decision to go to preventive maintenance agreements was twofold. A, we needed to rely on the machines 100%. Like, I'm talking every day I want the machines running. We want quick turnaround if we have problems, and that's what the preventative maintenance agreement gives us. The other advantage of the preventative maintenance agreement is we know that we're going to get 3 services a year. We're just rolling through those 3 machines, and we know that they've had everything looked over them, and everything will be sorted and hopefully good for the next 4 months.
Hi, my name's Benji. I work for Linea Stone. I've been working here for 12 years. I've done 6 years part-time, so working all through school. And then when I left school, I've been working here 6 years full-time. I run the operations, so a lot of the day-to-day stuff, managing the guys, managing the workflows, budgets and stuff like that. Since I've been working here for Dad 12 years ago, all I've ever known is Biesse. They've been great to support us. We barely have any breakdowns, and that's critical for not letting our customers down. When we template something, our customers know that 5 days later, they're going to have the product finished and installed. I'm pretty involved with the technology side, sort of leading the growth and where we want to be. The majority of our business comes from cabinet makers, almost purely focused towards them. We've created great relationships with them. Technology really is at everything that we do. So it starts with templated. We use a ProLiner to digitally measure everything, and then that gets drawn up on CAD and then sent directly to one of our CNCs for manufacture. Our technology is, I suppose, semi-automated. In terms of going forward, we're going to focus on 2 main areas. That's going to be people, so having the right people around us to give us the opportunity to grow, but also having the right machinery. So further expanding our plant, having the right gear, and then the right people to support that is going to be critical.
The milestones for me are seeing staff succeed, staff stay with me, want to be with us. That's what I really value. The turnover that we've been able to achieve has blown me away. The company has a really bright future. We've got plans and what we want to achieve. That includes materials, that includes machinery, space, people. It's a really bright future, and I'm just so excited that Benji can lead a team that are really keen to work with and bringing customers on board, and in the future we'll look to expand that, bring on designers, and yeah, really exciting time.